Good morning. Have you done your homework? Okay. Today we are starting our new lesson and new chapter. In previous chapter, what is our previous chapter? Rational numbers. Is it our previous chapter is rational numbers. In today we are going to discuss about chapter 2 and our chapter name is linear equation in linear equations and one way. This is our new chapter, linear equations in one page. And can we start? Any doubt in previous chapter? Okay, good. And today we are going to discuss about linear equations in one way. What do you mean by variable? That is, in alphabet, all are variables. Because if I take x, we call x is a variable. Because we want to put its value in depending situations. Its values vary, or that is so we call x is a variable. And what do you mean by linear? Linear means 2x, 4x plus 2. These are linear. Means what do you mean by equations? When we put or when we write 3 minus 2 equal 4 minus 3. Here the sign equal sign or equality, that is here the left side and right side are equal. When we put the equal sign in linear, that is we can call that is linear equations. And in linear equations here we can write this is a linear equation. Here we can find the power of x is 1. Power of x is 1. That is degree is 1. And here when we solve, we can here solve or find the value of x. That is we are going to discuss. Okay. What is the definition of linear equation in one variable? We will deal with the equation with the linear expressions in one variable only. Such equations are known as what? Linear equations in one variable. That is, for example, in your text given 2x minus 3 equal to 7. This is a linear equation. This is a linear equation. And we are going to study or here we are going to study the solving method. That is, we want to find the x value. That is, here this tells this portion and this portion, and that is the equal signs here, left side of equal and right side of equal. That is, we write here is LHS and this is RHS. This means LHS equal to RHS. Then when we give the value to x, this is or this is equal to 7. When we find value of x, then we want to get equal to RHS. Is it? Can you follow? Any doubt? When we find the value of x, that is equal to RHS for 7. That is, we can find which type. That is, first we take 2x and here is negative or minus 3. That is, first step is minus 3 plus 3 equal to 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3. Here we want to take here x take, and 2 is called the coefficient of x. 2 is called the coefficient of x. That is, here we get 2x minus 3 plus 3, we get 0. 2x equal to 10. In another way we can think, here negative 3 or minus 3 is transferred to right side or going to right side. That is, we can write 2x equal to 7 plus 3. That is, negative 3 is or minus 3 is going to right side. That is what we get here, x equal to here x equal to 10 by 2. That is, we get 5. Is it right? Yes. And here also 2x equal to 10, x equal to 10 by 2. When here is multiplication, operation is multiplication. Multiplication is going to right side or right side of equal. Then the multiplication converted to division. That is, we can write 10 by 2 or 10 divided 2. That is, we get 5. We get 5. We can check when we put the value of x as 5. X as 5. That is 2 into 5. Minus 3. What is the answer? 10 minus 3. That is 7. Our LHS is 7. That is equal to RHS. That is, this way is finding or solving the value of x or solving the linear equations. Okay. In linear equation, one variable is included. Okay. Can we start? Okay. That is, we are going to next section is 2.2. That is the solving method or solving equation which have linear expressions on one side and numbers on the other side. That is, second, for another example, 2y plus 9 equal to 4. This is our second example. That is, here is y is the variable. This is a linear equation. One variable is included, and for not a linear equation, 2x plus 2y. This is not a linear equation because here two variables are included. Here one variable is included and equal sign is also there. Then we want to find or solve, or we want to find the value of y. That is, here we can write 4 minus 9. Is it right? That is, 9 is going to right side. That is, plus 9 is going to right side. Then we get minus 9. That is, 2y equal to 4 minus 9. We get what we get? Negative 5. Is it right? Yes, negative 5. And value of y equal to negative 5 by 2. Negative 5 by 2. This is, what is this? This is a rational number in p by 2 form. 2 not equal to 0. Is it? Yes. We can check when we put the value of y in this case or this equation. That is, when we take the value of y as negative 5 by 2, then 1 implies, that is, equation 1 implies 2 into negative 5 by 2 and plus 4. That is, this is the LHS of equation 1. That is, we get negative 5 plus 9. That is 2 into cancel. Is it? Because here is operation is multiplication, so I can cancel 2. That is, negative 5 plus 9 we get 4. we get 4. That is our RHS is also 4. That is equal to RHS. That is equal to RHS. And this is also we studied in previous classes standard 7. Is it as? That is next is in the case of rational number, what is our answer? That is solve x by 3 plus 5 by 2. X by 3 plus 5 by 2. What is the answer? We get negative 3 by 2. Negative 3 by 2. And what is the we want to find the value of x. We want to find the value of x. That is here we transport it 5 by 2 to right side. Is it? Yes. That is x by 3 equal to negative 5 by 2 minus, because here is positive, when we going to or transport to right side, plus goes to negative, and 5 by 2. That is, here we can see here is a rational number and this is a rational number. 2 not equal to 4, 2 not equal to 0, 2 not equal to 0. This is our in p by 2 form. So this is rational numbers, and here this is numerator and this is denominator. Here two rational numbers, denominators or both the denominators are same, so we can write 2 upon. Is it 2 upon negative 3 minus 5? Negative 3 minus 5. What we get? That is negative 8 by 2. Is it negative 8 by 2? And that is x by 3 equal to negative 8 by 2. Next step, we want to find the value of x. Is it? That is x equal to negative 8 by 2 into 3. Here we can write negative 8 by 2, that is 4. Is it? Yes. That is negative 4 into 3. That is, what is the answer? Negative 12. That is the answer. Is it? Yes, that is negative 12. That is, we can put the value of x in this equation. This is represented by 1. That is 1 implies what is the value of x? Negative 12 by 3 plus 5 by 2 equal to negative 12 by 3, that is negative 4 plus 5 by 2. We know the addition, that is here also 1. That is when the cross multiplication, that is negative 4 into 2 plus 5 all divided by 2. That is we get negative 8 plus 5 by 2. Is it? Steps are correct. Yes, that is equal to negative 3 by 2. Negative 3 by 2. When we add the negative 8 plus 5, we get negative 3 by 2. That is our RHS. Okay. For another example, For another example, 15 by 4 minus 7x equal to 9. equal to 9. Here what is here? Negative 7x equal to 9 minus 15 by 4. 15 by 4. Is it? Is it? That is our question. That is, this is it correct? Can you follow? Okay, next is negative 7x equal to 9 into 4 minus 15 all divided by 4. That is 36 minus 15 by 4. That is 36 minus 15. We get 21 by 4. 21 by 4. Is it 21 by 4? That is negative 7x equal to 21 by 4 and x equal to, what is the x equal to? 21 by 4 into negative 7. Negative 7. This is going to division. That is, actually there is 21 by 4 whole divided by negative 7. When we division of rational numbers is when we take the divisor, is it divisor? We take the reciprocal of divisor, that is 21 by 4 into 1 by negative 7. Negative 7, reciprocal of negative 7 is 1 by negative 7, that is 21 by 4 into negative 7. That is, we get negative 3 by 4. Negative 3 by 4. Is it negative 3 by 4? X equal to negative 3 by 4. This is the answer. Or this is the value. And when we put the value of x in this equation, what we get? We can check 15 by 4 minus 7 into minus 7 by 4. That is 15 by 4. Here negative 7 into negative 3. That is plus 21 here we get plus 21 by 4. 7 into negative 3 we get negative 21. Negative to negative, that is goes to positive. That is, here common denominator 15 plus 21, that is 36 by 4, that is 9, that is equal to RHS. That is equal to RHS. That is equal to RHS. This is the format. Can we start our exercise 2.1? Page number is 23. Can we start? Okay, and can we start? Okay, first question is solve the following equations. First one is x minus 2 equal to 7. X minus 2 equal to 7. That is, x equal to 7 plus 2 we get 9. Is it? That is, here 2 is goes to right side. And second one is y plus 3 equal to 10. Y plus 3 equal to 10. And we get y equal to 10 minus 3. Answer is 7. Answer is 7. Is it? And next one is 6 equal to z plus 2. equal to z plus 2. That is, we can write 6 minus 2 equal to z. Is it? We can write here 2 goes to left side or left side of the equation. That is 4 equal to z. 4 equal to z. We can check here x equal to 9. That is 9 minus 2. We get 7 also equal to right side, and y equal to 7. 7 plus 3 10. That is equal to RHS of right side. And here we can check when we put the value of z as 4. 4 plus 2 we get 6. That is equal in left side. That is RHS and LHS are both equal. Is it? And fourth one question is what is the fourth one? 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 by 7. 17 by 7. That is here x equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. That is 17 minus 3 by 7. That is 14 by 7. We can write x as 2. When we put the value of x in this case, 3 by 7 plus 2, we get 3 plus 2 into 7, 4 divided by 7, that is 3 plus 40 by 7, that is 17 by 7. That is equal to RHS. And next one is six x equal to 6x equal to 12. X equal to 12 by 6 equal to 2. Equal to 2. And when we put the value of x, 6x means 6 into x. That is 6 into 2. We can write 12. We can write 12. And next one is, another one is t by 5 equal to 10. T by 5 equal to 10. T by 5 equal to 10. That is t equal to 10 into 5. That is 50. Is it? Is it correct? When we divide 50 by 5, we get the answer 10. We get the answer 10. And next, seventh one, 2x by 3 equal to 80. Is it? Yes. That is, we can write 2x equal to 80 into 3. We get the answer at 54. 54. Is it? And 2x equal to 54. X equal to 54 by 2. 54 by 2. That is, we get 27. 27. Is it? Is it correct? Yes. 27. When we put the value of x as 27, we get 2 into 27 by 3 equal to 54 by 3 equal to 80. Is it right? Yes, it is right. That is, both the left side and right side are equal. Next one is, eighth one is eighth one is 1.6 into 1.6 equal to y by 1.5. Y by 1.5. That is, here we can write 1.6 into 1.5 equal to y. Is it? Yes. That is here we get 2.40. 2.40 equal to, when we give the value of y here, we get the answer. Is it? Yes. And 9th question. Seven x minus 9 equal to 60. That is 7x equal to 20. 16 plus 9 equal to 25, and x equal to 25 by 7. X equal to 25 by 7. When we give the value 25 by 7 to x, 7 into 25 by 7 minus 9 equal to what we get? X. 7s are cancelled, that is 25 minus 9, we get the answer 16, that is equal to right side. And 10th question is y minus 8 equal to 30. That is 14y equal to 13 plus 8, 21. And y equal to 21 by 14, that is 3 by 2. Is it? That is 3 by y is equal to 3 by 2. When we give the values here, we can write 21 minus 8, we get 30, that is equal to RHS. Is it? That is also equal. And 10th question is, and next question is 11. And next question is 9 equal to 9, that is we get 60 equal to 9 minus 70. Is it? That is what we get. 9 minus 70, that is 70 minus 9, we take 70 minus 9, that is 8, negative 8. And b equal to negative 8 by 6, we can write negative 4 by 3. Value of b is negative 4 by 3. This is the answer. And 12th question is your homework. Page number is 24. The exercise 2.1. 12th question is homework. And some more homework, that is 7 plus 2x equal to 6. And second one is x by 7 plus 8 by 7 equal to 14 by 7 or equal to 2. These are also common. These are also two questions for you. And let's wind up your class and see you